Here's some resilience in nature trivia. Subscribe. Which tree can survive in extreme drought conditions? Is it A, maple, B, oak, C, baobab, or D, birch? The correct answer is C, baobab. What bird can endure freezing temperatures in Antarctica? Is it A, emperor penguin, B, puffin, C, seagull, or D, sparrow? The correct answer is A, emperor penguin. What fish can survive in frozen lakes? Is it A, salmon, B, tuna, C, Antarctic icefish, or D, goldfish? The correct answer is C, Antarctic icefish. What mammal can survive extreme heat and cold? Is it A, sloth, B, dolphin, C, penguin, or D, camel? The correct answer is D, camel. What type of coral can withstand warmer waters? Is it A, brain coral, B, soft coral, C, horn coral, or D, staghorn coral? The correct answer is D, staghorn coral. Which tree can regrow after being cut down? Is it A, oak, B, pine, C, birch, or D, redwood? The correct answer is D, redwood. What amphibian can survive drying out completely? Is it A, spadefoot toad, B, tree frog, C, bullfrog, or D, salamander? The correct answer is A, spadefoot toad. Which mammal is famous for its resilience against disease? Is it A, naked mole rat, B, elephant, C, sloth, or D, bat? The correct answer is A, naked mole rat. What plant family includes species that survive extreme environments? Is it A, rosaceae, B, ericaceae, C, fabaceae, or D, cactaceae? The correct answer is D, cactaceae. What flower can thrive in Arctic conditions? Is it A, Arctic poppy, B, rose, C, daisy, or D, tulip? The correct answer is A, Arctic poppy. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.